Today I'll be showing you how to make an origami boomerang. This time using that paper. So if you got A4 paper, just take the top edge and fold it back, and you just rip it out. Okay, something. And when you rip it out, you get something like that. So today I'll show you how to make an origami boomerang. Okay, if you have a piece of paper like that, okay, take the top edge and fold it to the bottom. Make good creases. Okay, so you have a paper that you got a vertical line over here. Okay, that time you're gonna take the top edge and the bottom edge and fold it next to the line. If you do it all the way up to the line, when you fold the boomerang half again, it will just interfere. Okay, so leave a little bit of space. So that time, I missed a line over here, okay? Try missing the line. That'll be this. Okay, do the bottom. Okay. That time, when you fold the boomerang half again, that means it won't interfere. Okay, only the top. If it's interfere, I won't fall out anything. Okay, so you have, and when you unfold it, it have to be like that. This time, you're gonna take the right, and fold it to the left. Take this edge and fold it to the left. Now it's kind of straight, so just round it off with your kind of. Okay, and make good creases. Okay, this time we're gonna make your airplane fold. So you have to hold it here. Now if you don't hold it here, just miss a line. Okay, so hold it here and make an airplane fold. Do the same on the left side. So fold it. Okay, that you have something like that. After that, unfold it and fold it to the back. It doesn't matter. Flip it over and do it. It doesn't matter. It's fine. So you can, or then you can do like on the front end. Yeah, just fold on the same crease. Okay. Do this too and do a crease. And unfold this bit, the airplane fold that you have done. After that, you're gonna open this flap and you're gonna tuck this in. Okay. So tuck this in and make it with your finger, make your crease like that, and do the same on the left side. Do it. So the folding will be a little trickier. So pay close attention, okay? So this time you got something like that. So unfold that bit here that you have like that, and you have to unfold the right hand side, okay, not the left, okay. So you got a diamond, so you have to fold it a little bit, that's something like that, and crease it. If you don't like that, I don't know, just do like that. Okay, that you have something. Okay, that you have, and flip it over, and you have to crease on the edge, on the diamond edge. So do all 4 of the creases. Make sure you have sharp creases. Okay, so you'll have something like that. When you flip the model over again, so you have something like that. Okay, so with your thumb, just hold it here, and like you're going to squash it. Okay, so squash it. After that, we're gonna take this side and fold it to the right. After that, you form a little pocket, so put this into the pocket. So you have something like that. Okay, that time, you're going to fold this flap here. And when you fold the left flap, you see a mountain over here. So fold this bit here. And it'll be like, and fold everything, and also fold the right part. Okay, it's only just on the left here, so fold that part. So that time we're gonna the left part have to go in first, then so you form a mountain here. So if you got a pocket and you got this bit here, just tuck it in gently, and then flat everything out. Okay, so you're nearly done with the boomerang. We have to fold the flaps like you have here. Okay. Again, you got to. So the other flap got 1. So first we can do 2. That'll be much more easier. Fold it like an airplane that we had done the previous thing. We don't have to fold it back, so just unfold it, and you got a flap here. Okay, you got a flap here. After that, you have to push that one in, then you get something like that here. That you got a flap here. After that, just leave this plain. After that, you got a pocket over here. Okay. So, with your finger or any finger, just do like that, so it will be a big pocket. After that, just round it off and do it here. Okay. So you have something like that, okay? Like that. So we're gonna do the same thing, okay? So you only got 1 flap here, okay? So this one got all flaps. Make good creases. After that, unfold these things, and you have to push it in on the crease that you have made. Okay, leave this plain. And kind of round it off and put this into the pocket. So that's how you make this origami boomerang. Okay, so in the other video I'll show you how to connect like that. So I'll upload something like that. That'll be like that. Okay. So bye bye. See you soon. And have fun with the origami boomerang.